In today's video lesson, we will discuss German numbers from 11 to 100, recapitulate concepts via quiz, discuss the answers to the quiz of the previous video. So stay tuned to German Paro for further updates. Hey guys, this is Anmol and you're watching German Paro. If you're new to German Paro, then I would suggest that before watching this video, you should watch the other two videos. So let's start off with das Zählen or the counting. So if you haven't watched my video where I discussed counting from 1 to 10, then do watch it. So let's start off with countings from 11 to 20. So in this video, we are going to do countings from 11 to 100. But firstly, we are going to start off with 11 to 20. So 11 in German is known as elf. Noch einmal, elf. 12 is zwölf. Noch einmal, once again, zwölf. 13 is 13. Noch einmal, 13. 14 is 14. Noch einmal, 14. 15 is 15. Noch einmal 15. So as you guys can see, 11 and 12, that is elf and zwölf, only we have to learn. The rest, 13 is same, 14 is same and 15 is same. See, now we'll combine 3 and 10 along. See, it is 3 plus 10 is equal to 13, right? Same, so it will be dry, same. We'll combine the two, which will give 13. Same for 14. 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. So we'll combine the two. So we get 14. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. So when we combine the two, that is 5 and 10, we get 15. Okay. So I'm going to repeat this once more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 11, 12. Now see, Z will have a S sound, okay? As I told you in the video where I discussed alphabets in German, so Z will have a S sound, okay? So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now 16 is 16. Now it will not be with an S. No, that is wrong. It will be 16. 17 is Siebzehn. Now it will not be Siebenzehn. That is completely wrong. It is Siebzehn. So we'll cut off En and in this we'll cut off the S. 18 is Achtzehn. 19 is Neunzehn and 20 is Zwanzig. Now only these two are the exceptions. 18, 19 and for 20. Actually for 20 it will be Zwanzig. Okay. So what we can say is that for 20 this rule will not be followed. Rest it will be followed for 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay. So let's move on to the next. Okay. Now we will do German numbers from 21 to 30. Discuss Zwanzig already. Now we're going to start off with 21 to 30. See, now from 21 I'm going to tell you a very quick trick which is very easy to remember. Let's say if I give you the number 21. So in English we say 21, the tens place and then the ones place. Now, but in German what the rule is, first we say the ones place and then the tens place. So it is ein und zwanzig. Okay, ein und zwanzig. 22. First we'll say the ones place, remember. So it will be zwei und zwanzig. Okay. First the ones place, always remember this. 23. Fine. 24. 25 is 25. 26 is 6. Now over here S will be there. Okay, we will not omit the S, it will be there. 6 und 20, 7. En will be there. Und 20. 8 und 20. 9 und 20. Now it will be 30. With the beta sign, I'll write it over here. 30. sich. Okay, so 30 is 30. So see, the counting rule in German is pretty simple. Like, you just have to memorize from 11 to 20, and the numbers 30, 40, 50, 60 till 100. You have to memorize what do we call them, and this rule. So now this will make counting for German a piece of cake for you. So this rule will be applied to other numbers. Let's say if I give you a number such as 36, for example. So first, always remember, we will write the units, that is the ones place. So 6 is sechs, 13 is 30. So we'll write sechs und 30. Und is and basically. Okay, so 10 is Zane, we already know this. 20 is 1-ish, we also know 30. Now 40 is 40. Okay, now see, the rule for it is that you have to memorize same, which you already know, right? 20 and 30. 30, okay, see, 30 is an exception. As you can see, others are ending with ZIG. 30 is an exception. Now see, it will be 40, 4 and zish. 40. Okay. Now see, it will not be sexish over here, not with an S. No, that is wrong. It will be sexish, and it will not be siebendish, that is also wrong. It will be siebzig, achtzig, neunzig, 100, or you can also say 100, that is also correct. Now see, 66 is sechs. First we'll say the units place, so it is sechs und sechzig. 77 is sieben und siebzig. Yes, so guys, this is the quiz. Now you have to write the numbers in German. Let's say if I give you an example of a number, let's say 65, for example. So first we always start with the ones place, always and always. So it will be fünf und, to join the two, sechsisch. All right, so always remember, you have to start with the ones place. Okay, and your counting will always be right. Ones place, join the two with the and then you write the tens place. Okay, so 23, 76, 67, 89, 98, 100, 35, 53, 48, and 84. Now Bentwater, these defraggers answer the questions. So now, in my previous video, I told you the trick how to solve it. I'll just recapitulate the same in this video. And this quiz is actually same to quiz 2 in the previous video. So how you solve this is, let's say if I have a number, eins, that is 1, plus z. So 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. So first you can convert into English. Now what is 11 in German? It is 11. So like this, you have to attempt the questions. Now let's discuss the answers to quiz 2. And welchen Tagen hast du schulfrei? So when do you have a holiday from school? So you can answer accordingly. So my answer is Samstag und Sonntag. See, the spelling for Sonntag, it will not be Sohn. That is wrong. It means a totally different word. Now the next question we have is, Welcher ist dein Lieblingstag der Woche? Now, which is your favorite day of the week? So mine is Friday, which is Freitag. Okay. Then the next one we have is Welcher is der schlimmste Tag der Woche, which is the worst day of the week. So for me, it is Dienstag. Wann hast du Schule? When do you have school? So basically, in this sense, I mean to ask like on which days particularly. So it is Montag for me, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, und Freitag. If you have it on Saturdays as well, then you can also mention Samstag. Now, for 1 to 4 questions, your answers may vary, just that the spellings should be correct. Okay. Now, let's have a look at these questions. Bintuota die Frage. Answer the questions. 3 plus 7. Now, what is 3 and 7 is 7? Okay. So, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Now, 10 in German is same. So, the answer will be same. And the next question we have right here is fünf minus fear. So, fünf is 5 minus fear. So, the answer is 1. Then the next one we have right here is 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. 2 is 2, right? So the answer is 7, which is 7. 1 plus 9. So 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So these were the quiz questions. With this, we've come to an end to our video. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Until then, bye bye.